Hello, Mr. Wills.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
We're droning.
We're droning.
We're
droning on and on and on.
We're on some
Great Canal Trail.
Great Canal Trail. Just over the southwest side of Vernon.
And it's beautiful. As you can see, there's Silver Star right out there. Or more, my finger there. Over there.
Got my tablet mount yesterday, so I can mount my iPhone in the case without having to
Take off your case protector.
do all that stuff.
That baby is our nephew. Just so anybody that's like, why is there a baby on Ian's phone?
It's not good.
I'm gonna back up a little bit. Tell me more.
So here's the map. You can see where we are in relation to the restriction for the airspace near the airport there.
See that bubble where my fingers are? There, yeah.
And so we're outside of that. We'll stay inside of that today.
Sweet.
It's a little windy, so we'll see how the weather goes. I'm gonna turn this thing into airplane mode while we do that.
This phone is spectacular for exposure, by the way. Got the sun behind you, and I can see you perfectly.
We're gonna try and hand launch because it's kind of rough here.
Yeah.
Haven't done that before, but we'll see. So,
I apologize if there's a wind noise, everyone. It's just reality.
connect.
I want to back off. Filming while walking away. Highly dangerous procedure. There you go. I think I'm far away. Look how glorious he looks. Yes, that's my husband. So handsome.
Come on.
You look like you should be on a movie poster.
Exactly. Okay, there we go. Takeoff permitted. We've got 94% on this battery. Camera's got watts. It's on auto.
Got this nice golden halo around you. Put it into the sun. Woo! And it's going that way. Comment below if you could see where it went. Clickbait. So what are your intentions for this shot?
Well, we've got the sun on our back, so I'm just going to bring it out over the valley a little bit there. We're not going to go too high because there was a plane taking off earlier from the south. So right now it's 100 meters away from me. It's at 14 meters from its start point. It's probably much of a step.
I know.
It's still only about 70 meters off the ground if you consider where the ground of the valley floor is too.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so just because we're at altitude doesn't mean I can go 400 meters up or 400 feet up from here.
No.
Right, because a plane could easily come
Swoop
through the
down.
valley right there. So right now it's happy. It's just hovering, sitting there. It's not moving around or having any complaints. I turned on the zebras so you can see where the overexposed areas are.
Yeah.
And you can see the histogram as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop straight down until the horizon is in the lower third. Got good visual sight of it.
And you're roughly over where the traffic will be, though, ish.
Yeah, and then stop there. Well, I'm still quite a ways away from traffic.
Oh.
Right? And now I've lost sight of it, but I'll know where it roughly is as soon as I move it up. I should see it. There it is. Got it.
You see it?
Yeah. Climbing up, straight
Oh,
up.
there it is. I see it.
Right, and just doing an elevator move, I guess you call it. Okay, so what that does is, as I climb, it'll reveal terrain behind. So that makes it a nice, slow, smooth move.
Cool.
And stop right there.
Do you want me to stop filming it?
Look at the way the wind is moving the plane on the sky relative to the drone. The drone is in a fixed spot. The entire contrail of the plane is moving with the wind from the north. So now I'm going to do a dolly backwards. So we're going to just go straight back. And I got it. I don't want to go too far because I'll be in the sun. Brim my hat and right there, as far as I can go. And then go forward.
I hear it.
So now it's fighting the wind. Look how slow it's moving forward.
I can't even see it.
It's at my 12 o'clock of my nose. Clear sky underneath the plane now.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. See how it's working harder to go forward?
Yeah.
So it's fairly strong wind. Oh, I lost it.
You don't want to go. Oh, I see it. Straight ahead. Above. No, wait. It's like. You see it?
No, I got spots in my eyes.
Straight. Straight. Go
Oh,
down.
yeah, I got it. Thank you. This is why you have a spotter with you. You never want to really just do this on your own. Especially the small one. Okay, so...
Well, because he's small, he's got a smaller battery. Shouldn't we bring him closer home?
No, we got lots of time remaining on the battery.
Yeah, but it's cold out. Couldn't the battery deplete really fast?
So what I'm doing is I'm only running it to 50% battery for that reason. And we're at 79.
Oh, I can't feel my fingers.
Okay, where is it?
I don't know.
Okay, well, if I'm looking down, you have to be looking up. I hear it.
What is?
Okay, so I'm having trouble finding it. RTH.
Telling it to come home?
It's dead ahead of us.
Is it?
Keep your eyes up.
Yeah.
I'm getting lots of floaters today.
Me too.
There it is. I have it.
Oh,
Right above us.
there she is. Are you a little fearful for a second?
No, it's just difficult to see.
Love the
So
tree.
tiny.
This is why people get the big ones.
Well, the bigger ones will have more power for this kind of wind, right? It's already complaining about the wind. So I can feel the wind on my face. Okay, we'll bring it in close, and you can see how it struggles to hold. Right, so you see how it's tipping to the left or to the right?
Yeah.
To counteract the wind. So if I bring it over, it works harder. Bring it this way. So it doesn't have it doesn't have the super intense positioning tracking capability that the Mavic Pro has. It only has a little 2-camera sonar system in the belly of it. So it uses it as a visual tracking, but you can see
It's on a tilt.
It's working against the wind. I can feel the wind on my face. It's probably like a 5 or 6 knot wind with that. So it's pretty good. Oh, you see the hawk in the background there? You see him hunting?
Yep, I see him. I don't know if they'll see him.
I don't want him seeing the drone.
Yeah, so then he's circling this way. He's coming towards us.
Is he really?
Ish. Now he's turning back that way.
Because he will attack the drone.
And the drone is small enough to be taken out by a bird.
Okay, so we're at 69% battery. Where are we in the shot?
Are we? Don't go too far. There's 2 hawks over to the left.
The other hawk.
Yeah. So there's 2 of them right now.
You like that pirouette? That was pretty good if I want to say myself.
I'm a little bit nervous about the hawks because they're getting closer to us.
Oh, you see the star? Is that a starling? Or what?
Yeah, a little guy. I don't know bird species. You gonna land him soon? Oh, he's right above us. Bring him home.
Keep an eye on the one behind me.
With the hawk?
The hawk behind me.
So I'm gonna stare straight into the sun. Great. I don't see anything behind you. That's a problem.
They're not looking at the drone.
But you should be.
Yeah. They're looking for mice. I think it's big enough that it's not a threat to them.
You just gotta like kamikaze them because it's got blades. So you just fly at the bird and scare the bird. Right?
Look at how he's soaring.
Easy in the wind. Would that be fun to follow a bird?
I can't tell if he's on my shot or not.
Probably not.
Oh yeah. Just barely.
He's coming back this way. You see it?
Yeah.
That's cool. Birds are cool. What's that?
Going home. So, you see it's set the climb?
I'm going to move a little bit out of the way.
I set the return to home altitude a little high.
Oh yeah, he's way up.
It's at 50 meters. That's what I'd set it to because we were in a treat area before.
Yeah. And now the great landing of 2019. Watch this, everyone.
Well, I want to see how accurate the return to home point was.
Were you right there?
Well, it should be here, right? But depending on, it has 20 satellites right now, so it's got a more precise walk than when it first took off.
Getting pretty close to you. Oh. You're going to have to step down a little bit.
I canceled it.
So. Is it trying to make up for the wind? He did it, everyone! Cue applause. Cue applause.
It was fighting the wind at the same time.
Good job.
So, I canceled RTH right about there, and then I canceled the landing as well.
Yeah.
Because there's no way it's going to land on this. It's too slopey.
So say goodbye to our viewers.
51% battery for that, and that's like, I should stop the recording.
Bye bye, everyone.